video, we are going to study about the parts of speech, and I guarantee you that your every doubt related to this topic will be clean and crystal clear. So buddies, without any delay, let's begin to our topic. So what are parts of speech? When we speak with each other, we make the use of the sentences, and in the sentences, we make the use of the word. At every word, there is a one part of speech. Okay, there are together 8 parts of speech. First is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverb, sixth is preposition, seventh is conjunction, and eighth is interjection. Students, in this video, I am going to explain you every part of speech in a deep. So you should boost your mind to learn this topic with a full concentration. Okay, let's begin it. So our first point is noun. What is a noun? A word which is used for a naming of a person, animal, thing, place, etc. That is Vaidehi, girl, tiger, Mumbai, city, etc. In the definition, we have noticed one thing, that there is no use of word particular. Means a noun is not for only particular, it is for common. Means Maithili is also an example of a noun, and girl is also an example of a noun. Such as Tasgaon is also an example of noun, and city is also an example of noun. Means it is not only for a particular, it is also used for a common. Our next point is pronoun. The definition or the explanation of the pronoun is hidden in the word only. That is pronoun. Means pro version of a noun. A word which is used instead of noun is called as the pronoun. Means for an example, Shri is honest by. And what does the pronoun says? Pronoun says the pro version of a noun. Means a word we want to use instead of a noun. So instead of Shri, we can use a him. He is a honest boy. The examples are he, she, I, we, you, yours, etc. Okay. So buddies, our next point is adjective. A word which gives more information about a noun and pronoun is called as a adjective. Means for an example, Darsh is a honest boy. What does the adjective say? It gives more information about a noun. In the example, what is the noun? Noun is the Darsha. An adjective gives more information about a noun. Means Darsh is a honest boy. So what is the honest? Honest is the adjective. Examples like polite, tall, good, bad, etc. are the examples of the adjectives. While explaining the adjectives, we can give the information about the noun and pronoun in the 3 ways. That is good, bad, and neutral. Good means polite, honest, etc. Bad, ugly, rudely, etc. And neutral means like a tall, short. I hope that you are clear with this point, and let's begin with other point. So buddies, our next point is verb. And what is the verb? A word which tells about the action of a noun and pronoun is called as the verb. Means what actions are going on. A word which tells about what actions are going on is known as the verb. For an example, Maitu jumps high. What is the noun here? Noun is the Maitu. And what action she is doing? She is doing jump. Means what is the verb? A verb is a jump, because it tells about the action. We can take the examples like jump, dance, run, play, laugh, smile, etc. are the examples of the verb. Buddies, our next point is adverb. Now we have noticed one thing, that the difference between the verb and adverb is not much more. Means both are interconnected. What is the verb? A verb is a word which tells about the actions. Which actions are doing by which actions are going on by the noun and pronoun. But what is the adverb? A adverb is a word which tells about the manner of the actions. Means how the actions are going on. Verb was the word which tells about the actions, and adverb are the words which tells about the manner of the actions. Means how the actions are going on. Here I would like to give you one trick, that adverb mostly end with ly. If you saw a word which ends with ly, that is the adverb. For an example, Ram speaks politely. It tells about the action. What is the action? Action is the speaks. And what is the adverb? Tells about the manner of the action. So politely is an example of an adverb. Such examples like honestly, fastly, truly, etc. are the examples of the adverb. Our next point is preposition. A word which tells about the position or a location of a noun and pronoun is known as the preposition. Means where the noun or the pronoun showing their position. For an example, cat is on the table. What is the noun? Noun is the cat. And what is the preposition? Tells about the position. Where is the cat? On the table. Means what is the preposition? On is the preposition. The examples like on, in, under, beneath, above, below are the examples of the preposition. Here I would like to give you one trick. Preposition means position. Means both are starting from P and P. So we can remember this thing. Preposition means position. Okay, for an example, girl is on the table or pen is under the table. So under is the preposition. Students, our next point is conjunction. Here I would like to give you one trick. Conjunction. What is meant by junction? A junction is a point where two or more things comes together and join. For an example, railway junction. What is meant by it? Where two or more railways come together. Similarly, in conjunction, a word which joins two or more words, sentences, phrases, clauses, etc. are known as the conjunction. For an example, Ram and Sham. Ram and Sham are different from each other. But when we make use of and, both becomes together. Similarly, Mumbai is a good city, but it is polluted. Mumbai is a good city is different and it is polluted is different. But when we make use of a but, it becomes together. Means what is meant by conjunction? A word which joins two or more sentences and make it as a single sentences is known as the conjunction. But is our last 8th point is interjection. Here I would like to give you one funny trick. Means whenever a doctor gives us injection, a different types of sounds comes from our mouth. Similarly, the feelings which we express, means the feeling which comes from our mouth are known as the interjection. For an example, wow, OMG, you, etc. are the examples of interjection. Here is also one trick. Whenever you see a word or a sentence ending with the exclamation mark, that word is known as the interjection. So students, we have completed the parts of speech here. I hope that you are clear with this point. If you like my video, please press the like button. If you want to share and help other your friends, you can share it. And if you think you need such types of video again and again on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.